Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Vinci Media back with another video. Getting some gas right now, but me and Aaron, we're going to go ahead to a car meet. Little something for content. You already know, gotta tip it off. Just full tank. But anyways, what's going on, guys? It's been you know, a little while since I rode. I usually be riding every day, but you know, I had to take a little break because of the weather. Yeah, it's getting cold, man. Just see, December is where it's supposed to get cold, but it wants to wait a month after to start getting cold. But I'm not gonna complain because December had a lot of good content. Yeah, so my LED kit is the Aura Pro kit. If you guys are wondering, you can probably grab it on Amazon or their website, Aura Pro. A-U-R-A Pro. And yeah, you get to choose everything on the LEDs. You can put it on cycle, pulse, color changing, but you know, you don't want to be riding while all that's happening. It's illegal. But you can have a solid color. You see like the headlight part? Here we are. It's a little small meet. Just a little meet. All the way to the left. No, it's on this side. The side we're on. It's all the way down to the left. But yeah. Taking my R3 to a small car meet. Just a little bit.
Like 4 grand with a 4-year warranty. So, yeah. I got a Z125 when it came out. And I got a Monkey too when it came out.
What's up?
Is it fast?
100. It's a 300 though. 300cc.
Hey, the ground feels the same no matter what size bike you're riding. It must be fun. I miss my bike.
What you have?
Some fucking Chinese suzuki bullshit Amazon bike. It only went like 80 miles an hour, but holy shit.
What was it? A little dirt bike?
No, it was like a little street bike.
Okay.
It wasn't like a...
Like an actual brand?
No, it wasn't. Like, I think the brand name was Dongfang or some shit like that. Like, I bought it because it was cheap, and then it was too slow to look like a sport bike, so I made it look like a cafe racer.
Right.
In here for a bit, but ride safe wherever you go.
Alright, thank you. Oh, that's the G8, bro.
Oh, it sounds good.
A nice R32 Skyline here. The front view. Oh.
So clean.
Looks nice.
Street slicks?
Yeah, we're back. That was a really nice car meet at the end. I didn't get on film, but more cars showed up. Well, kind of. That car meet was pretty alright. Whenever it gets a little warmer, you know, content's gonna be way better. Right now it's just really cold. Right now me and Aaron are headed out to go get some food, and then after that we're gonna end off the night. You know, just a little short cruise, nothing much. Just went down Plano, and now we're heading down to Addison, since In-N-Out is gonna be closer to our houses over there. So. Oh my gosh, 2 of them, bruh. Damn, they everywhere today. Yeah. So did you watch the last video, the 2022 video? Like that kill switch? You got me back though. You got me back. Yeah, no thank you. Literally every car person that we meet. Yeah, I had a bike. Oh, fucking almost dropped my bike.